Apparently, this person made $322,000 from Fiverr with photo editing using Photoshop. That's theoretical, by the way. It can be more or less. I just considered her basic package, timed it with multiplied by 161 reviews, multiplied by 10, because approximately only 10% of the customers leave a review and rating. But her standard package is $300 and premium is $400. So it can be more or less. The question is, why am I showing you this?
Google Gemini just turned this picture of me with a single text prompt into this YouTube thumbnail, and it looks exactly like me, something no other AI tool has been ever able to do. They change your face so much where you can't use it for practical applications like this.
Now, I know you're here for money. You don't want Photoshop, you don't want photo editing, you don't have time for anything because either you have a 9 to 5 or you have a business. You just want a side hustle and make a few $100 per day, right? We know money is a byproduct of giving first. And that's why we make these videos every single day. And we make them as valuable as possible so you get inspired and inshallah you get results. If one person get results, one person get inspired, we will consider ourselves, our effort as successful. But we cannot do it without your help. We need you to engage in this video, like this video, ask questions in the comments, share with your friends and family, and important, subscribe to our channel. If you engage, then YouTube will consider our content as important content and they will share with more and more people, and inshallah more and more people will get the benefit. And if that happens, you will also be the part of the blessings. So go ahead, like, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, make sure you switch on the notification bell button and ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe as well. We have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days and we cannot do it without your help. I'll give you a second to take action. Done? Let's go. So in order to save both your time and my time, I'm going to quickly get the transcript of this video, copy the transcript into custom GPT and get all the details, analysis step by step so you can learn fast. And then I will copy this section, go to my Stitchable app, paste here, click import clips. Now I have all the interesting clips right here. Super easy for me to create a review or reaction video, which we also call rant video. You might be wondering, what is rant video? Rant is a type of video that we make in order to make money, and we taught these people and they also earned money. Now wait a minute, this is not a get rich quick scheme and results are not typical, but because our program is 99% done for you and it is made specifically for busy 9 to 5ers, business owners, busy parents and professionals, I invite you to watch the free training. Go to moshbari.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio and go and watch the full free training. You will learn how we run our digital marketing business using AI and automation, and how we help people like this, which means people like you, earn this kind of money with a 99% done for you system. If you like the program, join the program, and if you don't like it, no problem, we're still friends. But you will transparently learn everything about our business. And then if you decide, you can do it yourself if you want. Again, either go to moshbari.com, click the link in the description or click the link in the bio and enjoy the free training. My job is done. Now we can go and learn the snap method of making money with Google Gemini.
I'm going to go ahead and press the add file and upload a file. It's going to be just an image file of me I just used in the beginning. So I'm just going to say remove the background and replace it with a subtle blue techie background. And you could describe as much detail as you.
Step number 1, snap a photo and upload it on Gemini. Here is what I have done. I have uploaded one of my photos without the head cover, by the way. And I just asked to change the mic to a cactus tree and background to a desert. And here we go. The edit is so perfect that a professional Photoshopper will want to retire.
Second thing I wanted to show you is you could simply upload an image of a person and change what they are wearing. So I'll just show you here as an example. I'm going to say change my shirt to a green t-shirt. Okay, and here is the before and here is the after. I mean, this is just so clean. I can't get these kind of results without spending at least a little bit of time in Photoshop. And changing my shirt in Photoshop is actually far more involved than what I just did here in less than 10 seconds.
Okay, why not I try this? Just drag and drop my image and say change the short color from white to orange. Okay, honestly, this is so cool, but it also turned me into a Pixar-like character. Never mind, because just a few minutes back, I was trying to turn myself into a Pixar character. But the short color change is amazing, isn't it? This orange is so beautiful, so perfect, without changing any other color in the image. Bye bye Fiverr, sorry for your loss. The second step is name your edit. Just ask AI what you want to do. And the third one is add some creativity.
Next one, I want to show you multi-turn editing. So I uploaded a picture of an empty room, and I'm going to use Gemini here to actually decorate that room. So here's the room. I'm going to see if I could add a couch here on the right side. Okay, it followed that pretty well. Let's see if we could add a dining room set in the back room. Okay, that turned out really nice. And by the way, so far, these are just my very first prompts. I have not shown you a second prompt. This is literally the first thing I got out of every example that I gave Gemini so far. And on this one, I just said repaint the room white. And all the details are exactly the same as before. It just changed the wall colors here to white. And I said remove the hardwood floor and replace with carpet. And this is what we got out of that prompt. Now, one of the most useful things to do to a photo, and a lot of people use Photoshop for this, is removing an unwanted object. So let's say with this photo, we don't want these cars here. And I'm going to ask Gemini if it could remove the cars. And those two cars are gone. And
I'm excited to show you what I have done. I asked AI to add a cute cat sitting on my desk. And here we go. Look at the kitty. Then I uploaded another image. I said, hey, put a beautiful cat sitting on the desk with the man pointing at. And here we go. The cat is just in front of me where I'm pointing at like this. I asked Gemini to change some colors, and the background colors changed to only blue, turn myself into a Pixar character, and it's done as well. I have tried the removal of objects and replacing them with something else at the beginning. Look at this. I removed my mic and replaced it with a cactus. Nope, I prefer my mic. Step number 4 is polish your work. You have the freedom, you have the tool, you have the power. Polish as long as you want, as long as you are not happy.
ideation. So I said create a YouTube thumbnail about the release of Gemini's new AI image editor. I didn't tell it what text to use, but now we're going to test this ideation and we're going to see how it actually deals with text. I showed you that a little bit in the beginning. It does really, really well with text. Okay, this is the result that we got. It looks a little generic, so I might want to add myself here. So let's see if we could do that. I uploaded a picture of myself and I said remove the hand and the photo here and replace it with me instead after you cut me out of the background. So multiple different things all at once. Okay, and it did exactly that. So a couple of issues here that I want to also show you how to fix. One is you see the contrast is very low compared to the image. So that's another thing you could do is you could actually change the color and the contrast.
Okay, you might be asking, Mosh, why am I checking this? Because what you just saw can be used for creating YouTube thumbnails. And look at this. This video got a lot of views because of the beautiful eye-catching thumbnail. If you can do it with nothing but just AI, and then you post your video with that thumbnail, you are on your way to profit. That's the snap method, my friend. Hope you loved it. And thanks to Skill Leap AI for this amazing video. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.